Welcome everyone to my video. So if you're trying to jailbreak iOS 15 to 16.2 safely, you're gonna need a computer with an Intel or an AMD processor. Intel is mostly recommended because Gaster might become stuck at AMD. So next you want to get Ubuntu or Lubuntu or Xubuntu, and that works even if it's on live CD and you try it like live on the CD. So next you have to connect to Wi-Fi. As you can see, I connected to Wi-Fi right here. And then next you want to go to Firefox. Firstly, you want to go to Firefox. And then, or any web browser actually, you just have to have internet connection. Go to bit.ly/palera1n. That's right here. This one. palera1n. And underscore REQS. Just like that. Just like this. Just like this. I'll leave it in the description if I forget. Okay. And just load it. It will open this mega NZ. And make sure that you open it. Make sure that you download it right here. And yeah. Open this text file. And then click, don't click LibreOffice, just click text editor. And there's even one. Okay, there we go. So you can now close Firefox or any web browser that you used. Now drag this to the side because you'll need it for further instructions. Also, credit to Burhan Rana for this help file. And okay, so after you got this text file right here, you have to open Terminal app. If you're using Ubuntu, you have to click this Show Applications. Then just search for Terminal. There should be Terminal, and click it. It'll open this up. So the next thing you want to do is let me zoom in on this. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to type CD downloads. Like that, CD downloads. And once you see this directory like that, you have to do a couple of things first. So see this text file on there, right? You have to install a couple packages. So you just wanna copy this, just select it and then drag it onto the terminal. It will automatically do that. And just press enter. And press enter again. It's doing a lot of things. Those are just the dependencies. They're not actually jailbreaking the device. Okay, so if you see this, it's nothing to worry about. I've tried this 1,000 times and nothing actually happened. Comment if you laughed because I don't think that's even funny. Okay, so next you want to copy this command, that command right there, and then you want to enter again. It's doing a lot of things. And yeah, that's done. So now what you have to do is you have to copy and paste this command. This is a bit long. Now actually just drag it. This command, just in the red highlighted one, and just drag it to here, as like that. And then press enter. Oops, not this one, not this one. Focus the terminal window and enter. Just installing something. Yep, setting up some Python stuff. And also this will minimize the possibility of failure on pairing. Oh, and also I forgot to mention that if you use a virtual machine, this will not work. So after you finished this command, the red one, you have to paste, you have to drag this command, this one. You have to drag it into the terminal, focus it, and press enter. And that's done. So what this does is save the deb file to the directory you're in, and this script, this other command, copy and paste this command. I'm one-handed, so don't worry. But this will install this libssl patch. So press enter and focus the terminal window and press enter after you have this. Okay, so that's done. It's set it up everything. So now you're ready. So what you want to do now is you have your phone, your iPhone. You want to have a, wait, let me just zoom on this here. So you want to have an iPhone from A9 to A11. Yeah, A9 to A11. And it's very recommended to disable the passcode even though you're on A9. But if you're using A10 or A11 chip, like iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone 10, yeah, iPhone 8, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone 10, you have to disable your passcode, else this will break everything. So yeah, but even though if you're on A9, you don't need to disable the passcode, but I encourage you to do that. And next, you want to have this USB lightning cable. It's USB. Make sure it's not USB-C, because if you use USB-C, it does not work. It will not work. It just does not work. Okay, just use a USB-A to US lightning port cable. So yeah, that will work. So next, you want to connect the lightning cable to your iPhone. Connect it to the PC, and it will boot. But as you can see, my one is in recovery mode because I tethered this and it will not boot. So let me give you a clue of what tether and semi-tether is. So semi-tether means that you can jailbreak your device, but it will boot without the jailbreak if you restart it accidentally. But if you tether it, it's not gonna boot. So it's very dangerous if you're in emergency and your phone just accidentally restarted or something, but it's working fine for me. This is a secondary phone. It doesn't look like it's needed or anything. So I just use Tether because I had issues on palera1n about it says that once it finished the fake FS, I think something happened and then the whole it ran out of space. I think the fake FS partition ran out of space. So you have to go to Discord and then search the issue and then hope that you can actually fix it, because yeah, I was pretty skeptical about it that time because my phone was like dead or something. Luckily, I didn't plug it out. So if your device gets boot looped, no, actually no. If your device is just stuck or it just do nothing, do not unplug it and then wait for someone to help you, or ask people in the Discord server of palera1n. So let me show you the palera1n website, and then you type palera1n, palera1n.in, palera.in, like that. Oh, they changed the design. Wow, how nice. Okay, this is amazing, guys. You have to go to GitHub, and this will open the GitHub page. So you have to go to repositories, palera1n, and scroll down and go to this issue. So read carefully everything, and yeah, even if you don't read anything, just follow my video. It's still gonna work. So next, you want to go to this download and wait. First, put your iPhone into DFU mode. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, so you want to, let me just unload it. Okay, so first you want to hold the power button and the home button on the count of 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, let go. And now your phone is in DFU. So in the editing, I'll be uncovering the next step within 30 seconds. So yeah, hopefully your phone goes to DFU. Don't worry if you fail to do it, because you can do it for 1,000 times and it won't even break. You're just messing around with the shortcuts. XD. It's kind of nice to play around with, actually. So next, what you want to do is you want to go to your terminal again, and you want to type in git clone. You want to type git clone. Focus. Yeah, okay. Git clone, two dashes, recursive, HTTPS, colon, fraction sign, github.com/palera1n/palera1n, and yeah, I think that's it. And the and but symbolized, two and but symbolized, cd palera1n. Yeah, that fraction sound is not quite good. So you have to type this in: git clone recursive, HTTPS, GitHub. This you can find the things in their repository. So yeah, now you want to press enter, this is gonna take quite a while, so yeah. Okay, so once you're done with the git clone, next you want to type in this command: sudo /palera1n.sh tweaks 15 your iOS version. This one right here, you have to input your iOS version. Without these. Yeah, and semi-tethered. Semi-tethered, if you want it to be semi-tethered, you can go back to the beginning of the video to check this out. And yeah, if you're ready to do it and your iPhone is in DFU mode, you can do this. So I'm not using semi-tethered, so I just get rid of that, and it's just tweaks iOS 15.7.1, and just press enter. After this, if you see this, you have to press enter once again, and it's gonna download some stuff. And this is when the jailbreak starts. So okay, so this is really annoying. You just have to type in this: yes, do as I say. Yes, I am sure. Come on. Okay, so now it's downloading some stuff, as you can see. Checking everything. Okay, so it's booting everything. And later you will see a palera1n logo right here. Yeah, a palera1n disk logo. It's exploit everything. It exploits everything. It's called jailbreak. Let me just zoom in. And okay, this is where the issue starts. So, firstly, open a terminal window on the desktop. On your desktop, right click, open in terminal, or open terminal here. Next, you want to go to here, and then you want to type in, you want to get the help file, this help file, and you want to go to the fix SSH USB issues. You want to select this right there, sudo systemctl stop USB mux, and you want to drag it onto the terminal, focus the terminal, stop it, and go to the next row, sudo USB muxt pf, and do it again, and this one right here, you want to click enter after focusing the window, and leave it minimized. This one minimized, and the process will continue. you have to wait a few minutes, and if it says something about out of space or something like that, then you're in trouble. Then you have to go to Discord and find something about that, like ran out of space or something. Actually, I bricked my phone once. Okay, so now it's extracting more stuff. Okay, so now it's doing this. Okay, so now you have to put your device in DFU mode. It's do not try the same thing I tried earlier. You have to try this one. So okay, so when you press any key, okay, so when you press the key, it will say get ready, and then it will ask you to hold power button and home button. Wait, let me just zoom out. Like this. Just like doing this. So just a few things before you press it. When it finished the hold power button and home button, there's an extra second because it will wait for 0, because like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, which is another second. So you have to, when you see 0, you wait 1 more second and then it will finish. So let me just do this. See it? Okay, so I'm gonna press the key. I'm gonna press enter, and it says get ready. Hold it. Release the power button. And device enter DFU. You can now release all buttons. So don't worry if you miss 1 second or 1.5 seconds. It will probably still work. So okay, so now let's finish. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You'll see your phone being exploited on everything. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Okay, so once you finish that, okay, so you have to trust your computer immediately. Try. Okay, now do not touch it. Wait for about 30 seconds. And yeah, wait for 30 seconds. Just wait for 30 seconds. And it will respring. Do not disconnect it from your computer as well. Yeah, and if you accidentally clicked install or do all, I think it's gonna reset the phone again, and then you have to jailbreak all over again. So even if you're jailbroken before, you do not touch it. You do not press do all immediately. So after this, the jailbreak tools haven't worked yet. You have to press home, and then next go to your page until you see Pale Rain. As you can see, Pale Rain. You have to click on Pale Rain app, and if this is your first time, click install. Else, go to the settings app and click do all. I don't want to screw up anything. I just click do all, and it's gonna take a while if it's jailbreaking. And there we go. The phone's jailbroken successfully. And if it's installing, if you click install, then yeah, it's gonna install. It's gonna install everything. So let me just cut this and show how usable the phone is now and how stable palera1n jailbreak is. And yep, so once you got the palera1n jailbreak, everything works. If this is your first time jailbreaking, yeah, you can check out some tweaks. Jailbreaking gives you access of the system. It gives you full functionality. You wanna just open Celio. It's on your home screen. Just find it on every single page. It should be there. Celio, and there. You've got Celio. It's the store for tweaks, and tweaks give you more functionality of your phone, and also some decorations. If you don't notice, my phone has some snowflakes. Cool, right? So yeah, this is palera1n jailbreak. palera1n. Thanks guys for watching. Yeah, this jailbreak is really cool. It shows you some terminal art and some stuff. A lot of stuff. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.